Want to unbox the wig with me? Let's get to it. This is Raquel Welch, Flip the Script. And the color is Shaded Iced Latte Macchiato. One of my all-time favorite colors. I just got this in and I can't wait to look at it, but I waited because I want to unbox it with you. Okay, let's have a look at this. Comes with the little Raquel Welch card. All of them do. Y'all, this is available in 37 different colors. That's amazing. There's something for everyone. Let me get the pins here. And let's have a look at this wig. The stock photos look beautiful. I've seen several people that have had it, and it just looks so pretty that, you know, I wanted to try it too. So we're going to do that. Quickly go over the cap, show you that. I love all the parting area there. Oh, look at this. Look at this color. All of these layers. All right. These are heat-friendly fibers. Keep your styling tools to 275 to 300 on this. I'm going to give it a shake. Fits a little large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. There's a lot of fiber here. Let you know that. Okay, yes. Look at this long sweeping bang. I love that in a wig for sure. I'm going to put a little water on mine, like I always do. Get your hands in it. Pull it away from the cap. Yeah, lots of fiber, a lot of hair here. Now, there's no permatease, of course, in the top of this wig because of the mono top, but I definitely feel it here on the perimeter. You might need to steam this to keep it off your face. I'm probably going to just pull mine back for now with some hairspray, but for a more permanent solution, you'll need to probably add some steam to it. Oh, y'all, look how pretty this is. So pretty. Yeah, permatease here. Definitely feel it running through there. Actually, it's running all through the cap of this one. So just to let you know, I'm going to just use a wide tooth comb, brush through it just a little bit. Look at this bang. Look at these layers. Wow. Lots of movement here. There's a lot of styling options with this one. These eyelash bangs are so popular right now. Oh, wow. This is a wow wig. I love it. The front of this is 8 inches. The crown is 10.5 on this one. The sides are 8, and the back and the nape are both 8 as well. All right, I'll have a big full review coming where I'm going to show you and all kinds of lighting coming up, and we'll do some styling on it, but I wanted you just to have a first look at my new wig, Flip the Script.